Built in 1963, this elegantly maintained brick home exudes classic charm while featuring thoughtful modern updates. A circular driveway leads to the inviting front entrance, where you'll step into a foyer featuring a striking winding staircase to the upper level. Sliding doors open to a stunning, paver patio and manicured backyard, offering picturesque views of a beautiful oak canopy. To the left of the foyer, a formal living room provides an elegant space for entertaining, while to the right, a cozy family room sits just off the kitchen, perfect for relaxed gatherings. Gorgeous wood floors extend throughout the home, enhancing its warmth and character. The primary and upstairs bathrooms have been tastefully updated, with no expense spared. The home also features a one-car garage with a mini-split system and additional rear storage or parking. This space offers versatile potential, easily convertible into an in-law suite or a cabana for a future pool. Inside, the layout is both functional and flexible, 2 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms downstairs, while the upstairs offers 2 additional bedrooms, each with its own bonus room, plus a full bathroom. The kitchen, accessible from the covered paver carport, which accommodates more than 2 vehicles, boasts a walk-in pantry, wet bar, and in-kitchen laundry for added convenience. Updated windows, a whole home Generac generator, 2 HVAC systems, and an on-demand water heater, ensuring modern efficiency and comfort. This home has been meticulously cared for, and its prime location is unbeatable, just minutes from Westwood Publix Shopping Center, local shops, and restaurants. UF Health/Shands and downtown Gainesville is only 3 miles away, and UF's main campus is 1 mile away. Zoned for